If you're here because you need to earn $1,000 fast today, we're here to help. Life happens. You may need to pay rent right away, pay your credit card, fix your car, pay your household bills, go on vacation to relieve stress, or just deal with an emergency. A large number of Canadians and Americans have savings accounts of less than $1,000. Seriously. According to a study by Go Banking Rates, up to 58% of adults in the US have less than $1,000 in savings, and as many as 32% have no savings at all. On the Canadian side, the statistics are similar, with 53% of millennials saving less than $1,000. Do you want to make $1,000 fast? These 13 side-by-side rush ideas can help you reach your goals in a week or less, even if you don't have a daily routine. They are legal and easy to apply. We'll also look at what it takes to reach $1,000 using each of these methods. For the sake of simplicity, I'm not including taxes in this equation because different people pay different tax rates. The methods discussed in this video were chosen because they are a great way to help you make $1,000 fast. In fact, the best approach might be to combine several of these different methods. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Number 13. Flip the items. In some cases, you may be able to sell an item in the same condition as when you purchased it, and in other cases, you may need to touch up the paint, clean, or make minor repairs. Many of the items you can hand over make a smaller amount of money. If you want to make a larger quantity, focus on the larger or more valuable items. In addition to furniture, items such as household appliances, motorized goods such as dirt bikes, ATVs, golf carts, jets, bicycles, and commercial equipment offer great options. Scrolling through larger items can be a bit more work than smaller items, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you're willing to jump through some hoops while others are looking for the easiest option, you'll find ways to make more money. For example, selling used equipment can be a great option if you're looking for something that can make a big profit. However, due to their size and sometimes weight, you may need a truck to pick them up. People who buy it from you may want to send it to them too. While this can be extra work, you face less competition and it can mean more money for you. Number 12. A part-time temporary job. This may not be the first thing that comes to your mind when planning to make some extra cash, but a temporary job can be a great option. Temporary employment agencies are everywhere, and it's usually quite easy to find temporary or seasonal work through these companies. All you have to do is contact a local temp agency near you and find out about the possibilities. You can usually get started in a few days or less. Another option is to use the dashboard to work, like Really. Enter the word temporary as a search term and select your city. You'd be surprised how many temporary jobs are listed. The temporary jobs you find may be seasonal, so you may find more opportunities at certain times of the year. You can find all kinds of temporary work, so there are many options. Some offer temporary full-time hours, others part-time. Some temporary job positions also have the potential to lead to a full-time job offer that you may or may not be interested in. Number 11. Become a freelancer. Freelance work is a great way to make money from home. Personally, I've made money as a freelance writer and web designer, and there are many other skills you can apply, such as voiceover, graphic design, photography, and more. Most freelancers are paid by the project, although some charge an hourly rate. Even those who bill for a project usually have a target hourly rate they want to earn, and those rates can be pretty good. As a freelancer, you can start making money as soon as you get clients. To get started as a freelancer, you can talk to family, friends, and others in your private network about the services you offer. Reach out to business owners or anyone you think might need your services. Usually, you can only find one or two customers through your private network. Sites like Upwork also offer many opportunities for freelancers, but this site wouldn't be my first recommendation. There is a lot of competition for these sites to work for, and the pay for many jobs is not that great. However, some freelancers are a good fit with Upwork and other similar websites. If you're looking for some extraneous noise that will keep you up after you hit the required 1,000, freelancing is a great option. But if you just want to make $1,000 and then you're not interested in continuing, I'd recommend another way to make that money. Number 10. Become a handyman. Working as a handyman can be a great way to make some extra money. As a handyman, you can do things like fix a leaky toilet, change lights, minor repairs, paint the inside or outside, and all sorts of other weird things. There is a lot of work to do, and you can get a decent hourly rate for your time. You don't have to be a builder to work as a handyman, but you do need some basic knowledge. Another good reason to love this opportunity is that you can take odd jobs when you need the money, or you can make a more consistent effort to make this a serious part-time job, or even a full-time business. Number 9. Participate in market research. Believe it or not, businesses and companies are ready to pay you for your opinion to improve their products, increase their sales, and expand their market share. The data generated by completing surveys, testing products, or participating in focus groups costs a lot, and companies get back the time you spend providing useful information. Some of the simple tasks to make quick money with the best paid survey sites include registering, taking surveys, watching videos, surfing, shopping online, and referring friends. My favorite survey site has a variety of ways to redeem your rewards, including cash on PayPal, gift cards, merchandise, and more. Number 8. Start your own blog. You can make a lot of money if you have a blog that attracts visitors. If you don't mind sharing information with other people, blogging is a way to make extra money. Blogs make money from advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored publications, product sales, and courses. Hosting your online blog starts at $3.95 per month on Bluehost, which costs 5.95 Canadian dollars per month. While a new blog may not bring you any money or $1,000 in the first week, it is a great way to generate thousands of dollars in passive income each month. Number 7. Be a dog sitter. If you love dogs and cats, you can make quick money and even make a living from keeping pets, walking dogs, picking up pets, sitting at home, and more. Rover gives you all the tools you need to set your own prices and start making money on your schedule. Winnings are payable 2 days after the service is rendered. Pet grooming makes over $48,000 a year, or an average of $999 a week. So there's your $1,000 if you don't mind doing this job. Number 6. Lawn care services. You can offer many lawn maintenance services, including mowing, trimming plants and trees, blowing leaves, mulching, and other landscaping. In winter, you can even offer snow removal. These type of services are always in demand, and you can get a decent hourly wage with them. Your many customers will also make you repeat business as more and more work is on the farm. You can talk to friends, family, or neighbors and co-workers to find your first customers. Number 5. Drive for Uber or Lyft. One of the most popular ways to make money in the gig industry is by encouraging sharing apps. Of course, Uber and Lyft are the most popular options. This is a very flexible background noise that you can create if it suits you. You set your own schedule, no matter how many hours you want to work. Another great benefit is that you get paid quickly, so you can make money fast. Thanks to programs like Lyft's Express Drive, you don't even need your own car to start this side job. Number 4. Rent your own car. Others in your area who need a car can rent from you instead of going to one of the major car rental chains. You get better prices and easy money. One of the good things about this side business is that it's very flexible. You can rent a car when you don't need it and take it with you when you need it. Also, you don't need an expensive or fancy car to do this, although you may be able to ask for more if you have an expensive car. If you have an extra car or a car that you don't really need most of the time, think about it, because it's an easy way to generate passive income. If you currently use the car more often, you may be able to cycle more or walk more depending on how far you have to go. Number 3. Working as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant or VA, you can provide a variety of services, including things like managing social media accounts, editing and managing blogs, moderating Facebook forums and groups, serving customers, and more. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs outsource AEB to increase efficiency and have enough work. You can start as a VA very quickly and work in your spare time. Working as a VA can be a great afterthought or even a full-time job. The hourly rate you can get depends on what you do. It can take a very general approach and offer many different services or specialize in one area. The highest paying VAs usually specialize. Number 2. Rent a room. If you have vacant rooms in your home, you can easily make extra money by renting them out. You can find long-term tenants or rent them out on a daily or weekly basis. Number 1. Offer lessons. If you have musical skills or you are a good cook, why not use those skills to make money? Giving lessons can be a great way to make some extra cash. There are many different ways to make extra money. This video describes 13 options that can get you down to $1,000. All of them offer good potential, so it's important to choose the one that seems right for you and take the necessary steps to get started. Well, this was all about today's video. Give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.